My name is Christian Hirana, and I'm going to be solving the proof that from the derivative from x to the third power minus x 8x plus 10 goes through pi, negative square root of 3, and 7 million. Now, in order to think about this the first way, we need to look at what position we're going to be looking for. What I want to start out with is we're going to be choosing the trial and error method, and what we want are two integer values for x, in which is going to be either less than or greater than pi, or that you want them to be greater than pi. Now, the point of putting pi in between these two function values is to implement the intermediate value theorem, in which that if this function is continuous this function is continuous period at this intersection, which in theory would be pi, the places below and above it are able to at least once cross the value of pi. So in order to solve this, we're going to use the first value of f of negative 4. Now f of negative 4 is equal to negative 22. So this means that this is less than pi. So we're going to see if f of negative 3 is going to be greater than pi. And in fact, it's actually 7. So negative 22 is less than pi, but pi is also less than 7. So now we have our two integer values for x, which are negative 4 and negative 3, that are both less than pi and greater than pi. Now we also want to check to see if these two integer points are also, if we were to replace pi with negative the square root of 3, if there would be the same result. And in fact it is, because negative 22 is less than negative square root of 3. And negative square root of 3 is less than 7. So far, parts A and B have been solved with the values of f of negative 4 and f of negative 3. However, we need to look to see what values are less than and greater than 7 million. Now, let's try to do f of 190. F of 190, it equals 6,890,000. I'm sorry. F of 190 equals 6,857,490. Now this is less than 7 million, so we have a value that's less than 7 million. So let's jump 5 integer values to see if we can get over 7 million. So let's do f of 195, and this actually equals 7,413,325. Now we know that f of 190, I'm sorry, is less than 7 million. But we also know right now, because f of 195 is greater than 7 million, so then this would satisfy the intermediate value theorem, in which the function is continuous and that it passes points pi and negative square root of 3 and 7 million. At points f of -4 and f of -3, and also at f of